Well, let me first dive into some of these commonly asked questions. And there is some confusion going on around the exam and the certification. First, Tim, there are two exams here, the 901 and the 902. Why do we have two exams? And are these two separate certifications?
Great question and a very common point of confusion. The CompTIA A Plus is in fact a single certification. Now, if you're the kind of geek who likes to research the history of IT certs like I do, there was a time several years ago that CompTIA experimented with having multiple different A Plus specializations, but fortunately they scrapped that. So we're back to a single credential, a single certificate. But here's the gotcha. You have to pass two exams in order to earn that credential. You have the 22901, which I like to affectionately call the hardware exam because it deals almost exclusively with computer hardware. But you also need to pass 22902, which is what I call the software exam for obvious reasons. It's mainly operating systems. What do you get if you pass just one of the exam? Well, unfortunately, nothing. So you have to plan your certification along both 901 and 902 lines. Doesn't matter which order you take them in. If you want to do the software one first, that's perfectly okay. But make sure you plan to pass both tests.
Now, I think that just helped with a lot of the confusion right there, especially since it's kind of changed over the years. There's one certification, but there's two exams, the hardware and the software exam that you have to do for that. That helps me out quite a bit.